This is one. This is what I'm going to do. At least I'm going to start today. Making mounts for my new seat. It's nice. I need to find a way to make some mounts for this seat. I'm gonna have bought some seat rails. These two. They won't fit, it's not bolt on. So I will have to make some kind of mounts. And I'm not quite sure how yet.
I should let go.
So, seats in. It's kind of higher up than I wish it was. I want the roll cage at some point, and I think the seat is too high for a roll cage. And this is, anyways, not the final way I want the seat mounts to be, but it will. I mean, it's good enough. Could be like this and you can drive around for years, and I think it would not be any problems. But I kind of want, to be fair, I want the seat lowered, and I also would like to have the steering wheel closer to my body when I sit in the car. The Mark 1 is kind of a weird car to sit in. Especially if you are like, the taller you are, the worse it is. Obviously it's a small car, but this, I think the stock gear location is too far in the front compared to the stock seat location and the wheels and the pedals. You have to be a small, not a tall person to fit perfectly. So ideal for me would be to have the seat a bit lower, maybe even a bit further back, and have the pedal, the wheel come closer to the seat, and then gear, lever and this handbrake, e-brake fitted so it would further back than originally location. This is gonna be, I don't know, something like so. And though I did not film much of the process of making seat mounts, I used a stock Corrado seat frame rail thing, chopped it up and made this fit on top of it. So Björn Tore, if you're watching this, you're not getting that seat back from the Corrado that I think you gave it to me. Yeah, I think you definitely gave it to me. It was rubbish anyways. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you, bye. Thank you for watching.